Using SonarQube involves several steps, from setting up the SonarQube server to running code analysis and interpreting the results. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use SonarQube. Install and configure SonarQube server. Download the SonarQube server from the official website, https://www.sonarqube.org/downloads. Install SonarQube on your server following the installation guide for your specific operating system. Configure SonarQube by updating the sonar.properties file, located in the conf folder, with your database settings and other required configurations. Start SonarQube server. Start the SonarQube server by running the appropriate command for your system, example /sonar.sh start for Unix-like systems or StartSonar.bat for Windows. Create a SonarQube project. In the SonarQube web interface, usually accessible at http://localhost 9000, log in with the default credentials, admin/admin, and change the password. Create a new project in SonarQube by providing a unique project key and a display name. Generate SonarQube scanner properties. In your project's root directory, create a SonarQube scanner configuration file, such as sonar.properties for Maven projects, or sonarscanner.properties for standalone analysis. Configure the properties in this file to point to your project's source code, dependencies, and other relevant settings. Install Sonar Scanner if needed. If you haven't already, download and install the Sonar Scanner on your machine. You can find the scanner on the SonarQube website, https://docs.sonarqube.org/latest/analysis/scan/sonar scanner. Run Sonar Scanner. Open a terminal or command prompt, navigate to your project's root directory, and run the Sonar Scanner command. For Maven projects, you can often use the mvn sonar command. View analysis results. After the analysis is completed, go back to the SonarQube web interface and navigate to your project. You will find detailed analysis results, including code quality, security vulnerabilities, bugs, and more. Interpret and act on the results. Review the analysis results and identify areas that require improvement or have potential issues. Address the identified code smells, bugs, and security vulnerabilities in your code. Rerun the analysis periodically to track the progress of code quality improvements. Remember that to get the most accurate and valuable results from SonarQube, it's essential to configure it correctly and regularly run code analysis, especially after making significant changes to your codebase. Additionally, integrate SonarQube into your continuous integration (CI) pipeline to automate the analysis process and ensure that code quality is maintained consistently.